welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're a returning OG. My name is Keyana. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieve my flawless colored eyebrows. Okay, baby, let's just take a second to appreciate the eyes and the brows today, y'all. Like, I just look good, okay? That's a period. In this video, I will be showing you guys what products I use, what tools I use, and the technique I use to achieve my eyebrows. So if you guys want to learn how to achieve color brows, make sure you guys stay tuned. Hey crew, so voiceover key is on this thing. Y'all already know what it is. So here are my brows right now. They looking cute or whatever. I cleaned them up today, so yeah. These are my brows. So the first thing I go in and do is apply just a little bit of powder to my brows, because when I go in and moisturize my face, you know, my brow hairs get a little bit of oily, they get product in there. So I really want to set those in place so when I go in with my brow product, my eyebrows is not slipping and sliding all over the place. The next thing I do is I go in and just brush my brow hairs with my eyebrow spoolie. So to achieve my burgundy plum eyebrows for this look that you guys saw, I'm going to be using this Nicka K NK lip pencil in the shade Plum, and I am just going to draw out my brows like I normally would, like the same exact thing I would do on an everyday basis with my brows. I'm gonna do right now. The only difference is I'm just using a different color. It's really not that hard to do brows, like colored brows. You literally just use an eyeshadow or a pencil or a lipstick. You can like do colored brows so many different ways, but I'm just going to be using this pencil and just filling in my brows. So first I outline the bottom, then I outline the top, and then I just shade it in with a pencil. Then I take my eyebrow spoolie and just brush through my brow hairs, and when I get to like the front of my brows, I fade it in so it doesn't look as harsh, because I want more of my product to be like in the middle and the tail of my brow, not really the beginning. I want that like ombre fade effect like I just said. So I just take my eyebrow spoolie and I just brush through them and just, you know, get them to look how I want them to. Here are my favorite concealers to use to conceal my brows and really clean up that shape. One is from L'Oreal Infallible and the other one is from Revlon. So both of these can be found at the drugstore. Love those concealers so much. Here are my two favorite brushes to actually clean up and conceal my brows. One is square and one is oval shaped. The square one I've had for years. I bought it from the dollar store, and then the round one I got off of Amazon. So what I like to do is put the concealer on the back of my hand. This kind of just warms it up just a little bit. And then I go in with the square brush underneath my brow. I switch back and forth between which brush I use underneath and on the top, but you know, it serves the same purpose. It does the same exact thing. Just the square one, it gives me more control because I can make like perfect lines. With the round one, it's more so of like a dragging motion. So it just like kind of depends on, you know, how I'm feeling and what brush I grab. So I grabbed the square one, so I'm just concealing underneath my brows first. And I like to start with the middle of my brow and then work out towards the tail, and then I come to the front of my brow and I work backwards. And I always blend down to blend that product onto my eyelid, because I use that product as like my eyeshadow base, because I don't really use like eyeshadow bases or like eye primers. I use a concealer as my eyeshadow base for my eyeshadow look. So yeah, I just drag the product down onto my lid. Here is a buffing brush that I love to use to buff out the product to make sure that there's no harsh lines, and I blend it into perfection. Like I blend it in to the point where it's just like you couldn't even tell I added concealer in. As you guys can see, it's looking real smooth, it's looking real nice, and that is literally all I do to, you know, do my brows. And then for the top, I'm gonna do the same exact thing, outline the top and then blend it out with the blending brush.
sexy.
As you guys can see, it is so easy to achieve colored brows. This is what I've been doing to achieve my burgundy brows to match my hair, and it's a whole vibe, it's a whole look. As y'all can see, I am feeling myself, and that's on period. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys one more time. If you've been enjoying this video, if you really like my colored brows, make sure you guys smash that like button below. Also, if you're not part of the crew, I'm gonna need you to stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button, okay? And that's on period. Also, follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see the amazing pictures that I've been taking of my makeup looks, and if you guys want to see the pictures I took of this look today, follow me on Instagram at Keyana Talented. Also, check out my TikTok at _@Keyana Talented. All my other social medias are always listed down in my description box below. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch this, let y'all vibe, and I will come back shortly and, you know, show y'all what my brows look like finished. Here I am with both of my brows to finish, y'all. I was feeling myself. I had my music going, so excuse me vibing right now, but my brows look so good. I feel like when you do colored hair, it's like literally mandatory to, you know, make your brows match your hair because it just pulls your look together. But yeah, my brows look so good. Can we also give it a round of applause for my glowy skin? Like, baby, skin look good too. I actually have a video on my channel showing you guys my favorite skincare products. I'll list that up above, so if you guys want to check that out, make sure you guys go do so. But yeah, y'all, my brows look so good, and here I am just being hella goofy. Actually, I was trying to make my brows wiggle, like, you know how people can make their brows wiggle. I was trying so hard, but I just was embarrassing myself. So can I get a thumbs up for that? Because like, I was really trying. Look at me trying so hard and cracking up on myself. But yeah, my brows look so good. here I am about to show y'all how I did my eyeshadow look. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys stick around. I will list all of the products that I use in today's video down in my description box below. So if you guys want to check out any of the products, if you guys want to use any of the products, I will have them linked down in my description box. So open that thing on up and go read it and click the links and go add this stuff to y'all cart because y'all need it, and that's on period. Make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram because I will be posting some gorgeous looks, some gorgeous photos of this look. So yeah, my Instagram is at Keyana Talented, same as my YouTube. It's always listed down in my description box as well, so make sure you guys are checking out my description box. And yeah, so I'm gonna just let the music play, let y'all vibe, and I will catch y'all at the end of the video. But you can't be Thank you guys so much for tuning in for today's upload. If you guys enjoyed watching your girl slay her eyebrows and slay this eyeshadow look, make sure you guys smash that like button. Also join the crew if you are not already a crew member. I would love to catch you guys in my next upload. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, be kind and be thankful, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah!